up, everybody? I know you've been waiting for this video, this bus. I'm gonna call it a bus conversion because that's what it is. It could be many things, but it's a bus conversion. So I'm just gonna give you a little walkthrough and show you what I have done at the moment. Hope you guys like it. We're gonna get right into it. Front, everything's been converted LED. Turn signals, headlights. We have the light bars up top. The marker lights that show, you know, how tall the bus is so you don't run into anything. Everything's LED. Nice and new. Don't have to worry about nothing. The paint is a bed liner. It's meant for truck beds, but we made a gray color and we painted the whole bus. It was a lot of work and very expensive, but I got it done. Almost fell off the roof a couple times, but we did black bed liner and we did gray bed liner. That was actually a brand called Raptor Liner. Great product, easy to use. I recommend that to anybody that's trying to do anything that they want to texturize paint job. But yeah, wheels, we got some plans for the wheels. Don't know what option we're gonna take yet, but we got some plans. Just like the light bars up top, we have LED lighting all around. One switch and everything lights up. So 360 around the bus. If it's late night and you're backing in somewhere tight, or you just want to see what's going on around the bus at night, boom, one switch, everything lights up. You can see everything. Down here we have the factory battery box. It came with one battery and now we have 3. More power, the better, right? I just like going overboard when I do things. But this is gonna control all the LEDs I showed you. The light bars, interior 12-volt lighting. This is gonna be strictly bus power. Some of you know that I'm going solar instead of generator, and I want to run this whole thing off solar. Those batteries are not going to be the ones to be running the solar, but I have a lot of things hooked up to this, USBs, all kinds of stuff. Down here is going to be the AC condenser. That's where the factory one was, but I'm going to be doing a mini split unit, and that's where that's going to go. You can see that nice texture. Here is the 50 amp RV plug. So when we want to plug into the house, or we want to plug into an RV campsite, we can plug right in. No need to worry. Don't need to use your solar or your batteries. Boom, power. But also be able to charge the solar batteries with that. I don't have none of that yet, but that is the plan. Everything is converted LED. Light bars in the rear, marker lights at the top. These are from a 2018 city bus. It's the turn signals, the tail lights, the brake lights, and the reverse lights. Everything is brand new. Even license plate lights are LED. Even though you see that ugly rusty bolt, that's brand new too. That wheelchair lift actually works, so if we have somebody that needs to get in and can't get in through the stairs, we have another way. I'm not worried about it. We can get anybody and everybody in there. 110 power, exterior 110 power in case we need to plug something in. Man, we got something going on outside the bus. We don't have to run an extension cord from inside. We got access right there. All the windows have been pre-tinted before I got the bus, but I'm gonna put shades or curtains or something up. Locking system, just like most people do with their vans, their panel vans, their work vans. It's the puck system, and it works pretty well. So the staircase, diamond plate, aluminum, angled aluminum. Man, it was difficult. I'd rather paint this bus again, but it came out very nice. Very happy with it. It was a lot of work. I bled a lot, but I love it. So as you can see, I cut some rubber mats temporarily to hide how ugly the stairs used to be. but the rubber mats work very good until I can find something that looks better or is better. You have more diamond plate. This is access to the transmission. Eventually it's going to be a gasket and it's going to be sealed up, but I'm still working on it, so we're going to keep it like that for now. And here we have some storage. It was just a very, very ugly spot in the bus, and I just, you know, built out a little storage area, and then it worked out where I can put an outlet, so the more the better. This was, we could say, the glove compartment slash fuse box. I had an extra piece of wood laying around and just made a door. Simple stuff. And here, the electrical panel, well, switch panel. This controls all the LEDs you saw outside. Some of the 12-volt LEDs inside. Wheelchair lift, etc. Has a little voltmeter, cigarette outlet, USB ports. There used to be a big metal box with switches and heater hoses and a bunch of stuff that was taking up space. It was old, it was out of date, it needed to be changed, so I ripped everything out, redid it with a small, slim wooden panel, and made countertop over that. Really nice. That'll be finished. You'll see wood covering the wires. You won't see any of those wires. Sticker bombing some stuff, you know. Always got a sticker bomb. TV, smart TV. We have Verizon, it's called Jetpack. It's wireless internet on the go. We can stream everything, Netflix, Hulu, all our movies, even play games if we want to. Above this, in this space, I'm going to put the other part to the mini split AC unit, and that's gonna be nice. That thing should be efficient and blow very cool. Down here we have another piece of diamond plate. This is access to the fuel pump. So again, we're gonna have a gasket and we're gonna seal this properly eventually, but for now, since it's still a construction zone, I am just leaving it. The chairs, driver and passenger chair. I went on a mission trying to find a driver and a passenger chair, and the price was looking ridiculous. It was gonna cost me the same price the bus alone cost me. So I went on eBay, I found these. These are from a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica minivan. They're the rear takeout seats. I made my own brackets. I ordered some swivel brackets, and on the passenger one, you can see it's on wood. There's actually rods going all the way through, metal rods, to mount it to the chassis, the frame. It's solid. On the driver one, I utilized the factory air ride that was on the original seat that came in the bus. So it's real comfy. We got the air ride, you can air out, you can air up, whichever you need. Flooring, before we get to that couch. I know y'all looking at that couch. Flooring, it is vinyl, kind of like a laminate click together flooring, but it's vinyl, so it's waterproof. Nothing can mess it up. I can come in here with a mop and we're good. So it was a little expensive, but definitely worth it. It's gonna last in the long run and hold up to a lot of traffic. The couch, we're gonna do the couch now. These cushions are eventually gonna get changed to match the seats, but for now they're there. This thing turns into a bed and it has storage underneath. I'm gonna show you that. Walls are going to be wood, but I have some wiring to do that I'm leaving it open for things that I'm going to do in the future. That's going to be some of the button up I do at the end, but I'm leaving it open for now. Roof, wooden roof. So we built the wooden roof because, see this mesh? There's fiberglass insulation in the roof. The whole bus is insulated. It was an AC bus, but that mesh was letting some of the fiberglass drop through. I would hit bumps and see dust coming out, and I was like, there's some way we got to seal this up. So wood, I love wood, and it gave us the opportunity to put some 12-volt lights controlled by the panel up there. I love it. It looks nice, smells nice, functions nice. Back here we have LED lighting controlled, 110 switches there. That's gonna be controlled by solar or if you're plugged in. Same with above the door. These switches control all that. We have outlets, USB ports. They're gonna be all over the bus. And wood, more wood, aluminum. I love it. I love the industrial stuff. Here is gonna be a sink and a mirror is gonna be here. The countertops we're gonna do wood and we're gonna resin it like you see in the bar tops. It's gonna be cheap, it's gonna be simple, it's gonna be very clean, nice, glossy, and you know, you can do things on it without worrying about the wood. Over here we have slide out garbage can. And we have a big drawer. Both of these sections here, the sink behind me and this drawer, were supposed to be, well, there wasn't even seating here, I don't think. That's the wheel wells. If you can see the wheel wells. So I built this stuff over it so that we weren't wasting space. Nobody can stand on the wheel wells. Maybe sit on it, but I built this stuff over it. So you have these big drawers, very, very simple wooden drawers. And they hold a lot of stuff. And it keeps stuff out the way, it keeps stuff hidden and clean. And then, like I said, we keep it simple. You know, I'm a barber. This is a vintage manual clipper. Now it's my door handle. So back here, we're gonna call this the utility room, the bathroom, the storage room. There's gonna be a toilet in there. This is obviously the back door, the wheelchair lift, working. So I also go camping. This thing lifts my dirt bike right in here. So boom, dirt bike is in here, dry storage. Don't even need a trailer. But this is gonna be the utility room. There's gonna be lots of wires, lots of inverters, lots of electrical stuff for my solar setup. That's gonna power the bus. So we're gonna keep this door closed most of the time. And it's gonna give you access to the toilet, you know, private from the other room. And keep in mind, all these are gonna be covered. So nobody's gonna be able to see you. Outlets. Outlets everywhere. And that's it. I hope you guys like it. I know you guys been waiting to see. Some of y'all can't get over by me to see it, or some of y'all not in Florida, but now you can see it. It's a little short video, but at least you get to see the ins and outs. If I walk past something that you guys may have missed or want to see or have questions about, leave a comment below. If you like the video, if you want to see more of what I do and the bus, you know, please let me know. Share, like, subscribe. It'll all show me that you want me to make more. Thank you for watching and can't wait to make more. Later.